Hey guys, so today I'm gonna play some Roblox jailbreak. So guys, we're gonna play Roblox. I'm waiting. I'm gonna see you when I'm in the game. Ciao, guys. So finally, I'm not in the private server, guys. Sorry for the screaming in the background. Okay, so we're actually going to attack the people. No, guys, I just don't want to be this. Yes, which team? Okay, now better. Okay, wait, let's get these off. Okay, now I gotta have a pickpocket. Or give me your pickpocket or put you mother. Give me one pickpocket. Give me one pickpocket. Give me one pickpocket. No. No. Yes. He doesn't know how to chase people, bro. No, no. Guys, he's the biggest dude in the whole world. Oh, if I was a police, I'll die right away, bro. Guys, I swear, look how laggy is it. People are here, then they're out of nowhere. Look, he's gonna save the car. Look how laggy. Look. Now there's no car. You're gonna come in here. Yes. Okay. Go, boy. Okay. Bit better. I just need to train on this. I'm gonna go get some guns. So guys, how much? Yeah, it's gonna be 2 minutes long. I was like, what the hell? 2 minutes long. No, it's gonna be 10. Yeah, 10 more minutes. Then I need to go sleep. Cause it's a school day. Yeah, it's the week. Wait, okay. I need to go get some guns without getting caught. Guys, aliens are coming in here. Aliens. Aliens. You know what I mean? Come on, this is so long. I'm gonna say, guys, who has the server laggy? Ah, okay. So guys, my mom said you gotta go to sleep. Guys, this was just a video for 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 the first of. So guys, it's for the first video of my channel. So look guys, I'm gonna just show you what I have in my inventory. What? So guys, I'm gonna show you what I have in my inventory. In here, wait. Whoa, bro, it's so laggy. Guys. Oh, fine. Okay, I'll show you. So I have paint. No, I have paint. I have none. My best one is this one. None. None one. And I have paint, and I have ladybug, and I have police, and I just want to have these ones. I swear, I wish. They're so good. I have this one, this one, this one, this one. I want to have it. So guys, we're gonna go out with the classic fleet. So wait. Okay, thanks. Wait, come on, can I customize it? Let's see. No, I cannot. Exit garage. Okay, guys. Okay. So guys, I'm gonna go see if there is a bank or something open. If there's open, I'm gonna rob it. Then we're gonna wrap up the video. So, okay, so you're hackers. We don't talk to hackers. We are pros, guys. This I don't work with this microphone. I work with my normal voice, like microphone of my computer. Okay. Oh, look, the train is here, bro. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go rob it if I can. No! You see, guys, in the public servers, they're so annoying. How annoying are they? More than anything. People are waiting in lines to rob it. Wait, look how many people. Look in the map, guys. Look at the map. People are robbing it. People are robbing it. So guys, we are going to go now, see if something is open, and have some cash. Okay, this is open. Jump out. Boom, boom, tam, tam. Jump out. Go rob it. Have some fun. Okay, rob it, rob it, rob it. Without dying. Don't tell me the police have entered the building. Look, I always die. Okay, yes, I didn't die. What the heck? Who killed me, bro? So guys, I'm gonna wrap up this video because I don't know, because it's my first video. I just want to try how is it good. So guys, if you like this video, you gotta smash the like button and subscribe. I got 50 robbery success. Look where I am up. So guys, we're gonna wrap up this video. Peace.